We're going to go to Moss Point now. We're going to go to Jamie. We've had him on hold for a little bit. Jamie, welcome to the 2023 season. What can we help you with?
Hi, Jamie.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Hey, good evening.
Okay, I have a question. Okay, my son was driving my car, and he was in an accident. Someone hit him. He wasn't injured or anything. The insurance took care of everything for the car. My question is, I only had the car less than 3 weeks. Could I sue for my down payment? The person that hit him?
I got you, Jamie. You're in that gap period with your car.
So,
Jim,
so essentially, you owe more on the car than the car was worth in the insurance company. Was the car totaled?
I didn't owe more than what it worth. The insurance covered all that. My thing is like my down payment.
Oh,
I had the $7,000 down. I had the car less than 3 weeks. The car is totaled out. I'm like, I'm out of $7,000.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yes, you could. The short answer is yes. If it's the other driver's fault, you're entitled basically after a collision that's somebody else's fault to be put back in the position you would have been had there not he not hit you or she not hit you. So yes, you could recover for that for $7,000. A couple things to consider there.
Okay.
One, $7,000 a lawsuit. By the time you file the lawsuit, do the litigation, have to pay an attorney contingency fee. May or may not be worth it.
You're just talking about the dollars and cents.
That's
there.
right.
Yeah,
I
understand.
But the theory, you can certainly recover for that money if you're inclined to do it. You could file it yourself pro se, and it may be worth having an attorney look at it. There are attorneys that handle smaller claims like that. If you want to call Monday morning, I could refer you to somebody. But you're entitled to get your money back. The second practical question is,
okay,
if you've exhausted the other person's insurance coverage,
yeah,
does that person have money or a job or some way to pay you if you were to go to court and get a judgment? And that's just a matter of looking at the facts and seeing if that's available.
You know, I'm feeling for Jamie on this one because I was in a similar situation just about a year ago. We didn't put quite as much, Jamie, down on our down payment, but yeah, it's a thing. And you try to save up. You put the down payment down there to reduce the amount that your monthly note's going to be for the car. You're just trying to be good as financially as you can, and then boom, these things happen, and
right.
$7,000 is, I get it.
I mean,
right, she can really put you in a bind on that one. So Jim, she's got some options, but she needs to kind of look at the dollars and cents and check it out.
Well, and Jamie, if you want to call Monday, I'll talk to you. It's probably not something our firm can handle, but I can refer you to somebody who will be glad to help you. Okay, we'll talk to you about it.
Jamie, thank you so much for the call tonight. Give us a call back. We'll be doing this and Asking Us Anything show a little bit later in the month, and give us a call back. Give us an update. We'd love to hear from you.